The next relation is symmetric relation. For this, the definition is, if A, B belongs to R, implies that B, A belongs to R for all A, B belongs to A. If I have a ordered pair A, B that is belongs to R means, then automatically it will implies that B, A is also related to R. If it does not related to that, then it is not a symmetric relation. Now let us see with an example there. Now see the first one. A is equal to the set 1, 2, 3 is there. Now ordered pairs, Cartesian product we have written there. Now take the first one. R is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 2 is there. Now here I don't want to see whether it is there in the given set or not. If I take a ordered pair here, only in this relation I have to check 1, 1 A, B. Then B, A will be what? Again 1, 1 only. So this condition satisfies. Now go for the second one. 1, 3. 1, 3 means the next one will be 3, 1. So this satisfies. Now next take for this one. 3, 1. So the next one will be 1, 3. So this also has satisfied. Next 2, 3. 2, 3 means the next should be 3, 2. So here it is there. So this also satisfies. Now here it is 2, 2. 2, 2 means again it is 2, 2 only. So this satisfies. Go for the last one. 3, 2. 3, 2 means again it will be 2, 3 that is there. So each and every ordered pair has a symmetry. Therefore the entire thing is called as a symmetric relation. If A, B is there, then B, A is also there for each and every ordered pair. Therefore this is a symmetric relation. Now see the second one. 1, 1. Then B, A will be again 1, 1. So this satisfies. Now here 2, 2 is there. 2, 2 means again 2, 2 only. This satisfies. Now here 3, 3. Again the 3, 3 only will be there. This also satisfies. This set we can also called as reflexive and symmetric. Reflexive also satisfies here. Each and every element belongs to the set. And symmetry also satisfies. A, B belongs to R means B, A is also belongs to that R. So this relation is both reflexive and symmetric. Now see the third one. See here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 3, 2 is there. By seeing this, I can say that this is a reflexive relation. This is an extra element. So I can say this is reflexive. Now let us check for symmetric. 1, 1. 1, 1 means then the next one will be 1, 1. So this will satisfy. 2, 2. So the next one will be 2, 2 only. So this also will satisfy. For 3, 3, that will also satisfy. Now see here 3, 2 is there. For this, the next should be 2, 3. But this is not there in this relation. Therefore, this is not symmetric. This relation is reflexive but not symmetric. the relation is reflexive but not symmetric. Now go for the fourth one. R is equal to A cross A. The entire Cartesian product is there. Now we have to check for the entire Cartesian product whether it is a symmetric relation or not. For 1 comma 1 it will satisfy. For 2 comma 2 it will satisfy. For 3 comma 3 it will satisfy. Now let us say that this is reflexive. Now let us check for whether it is symmetric or not. Now 1 comma 2. For that I have 2 comma 1. So this will satisfy. This will also satisfy. 2 comma 1 means again 1 comma 2. Now 1 comma 3. For this the next will be 3 comma 1. So both of this will satisfy. Now here 2 comma 3 means the next will be 3 comma 2. So each and every ordered pair satisfies the condition. Therefore the entire Cartesian product is reflexive and symmetric.